Guys, welcome back to the Buses Fan channel. Today we are unboxing a tiny Singapore bus interchange which is designed by ForeRider. Thanks to you all, we have a bus interchange model. Of the camera will shift in this video because I want you all watching to have a better angle on the bus interchange. This is the thumbnail that they used when the interchange was released. This is designed by ForeRiders, and these sites are its social media which you can follow. Link in the description below. This is the view of the interchange, which is awesome. Some photos from Singapore and the bus lookout. This at the bottom it shows some bus interchange and ForeRiders email. Unbox the interchange. The poster for the interchange, which will have a photo of this poster at the end of this video, so stay tuned for the photo. This is one of the pieces for the interchange. This is the berth and alighting side, which this interchange is made of wood. Open up the other piece. This is the other part of the interchange. This is the third part of the interchange. Now we are unboxing the last piece from this interchange, which is the entrance area. Let's combine the interchange. Is the entire interchange combined together, which looks awesome. These are the parking areas. And the alighting berths. And the boarding areas. Let's now put some buses to the interchange. The whole entire interchange with buses. this video. If you do like this video, do subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss any exciting videos like this. Thank you for watching this video again, and have a nice day.